Imagine stepping into a future where your everyday life is transformed by technology beyond your wildest dreams. At CES 2025, we've uncovered the top 5 game-changing tech secrets that are set to redefine our world. From health innovations to AI revolutions, here's your exclusive scoop on what's coming next. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into the future. Welcome to FactOrbit, where we bring you the latest, the greatest, and the most groundbreaking tech news straight from CES 2025. This year's Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas has been nothing short of spectacular, with innovations that promise to alter our lives in ways we could only dream of. Today, we're going to unveil the secrets of these technologies, one by one. Nvidia's Cosmos World Foundation model, revolutionizing physical AI. First up, we have Nvidia's Cosmos World Foundation model, a platform that's practically a game-changer for physical AI development. If you thought AI was just about digital assistants and chatbots, think again. This platform is designed to accelerate the creation of AI for physical systems like robots and autonomous vehicles. Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, highlighted during his keynote how this model uses synthetic data to train AI about the physical world. Imagine robots learning to navigate and interact in real environments without the need for endless physical testing. This means less time, fewer resources, and more efficient AI in our daily lives. From smart homes to autonomous driving, the implications are vast. The potential here is huge. Imagine manufacturing lines where robots learn and adapt without human intervention, or self-driving cars that evolve their driving patterns based on simulations rather than just real-world data. This could significantly reduce costs and speed up the deployment of AI in practical applications. Onscreen Joy, redefining elderly care with technology. Next, we delve into a heartwarming innovation, Onscreen Joy. This new app, unveiled at CES 2025, is set to transform how we care for our elderly. Onscreen has taken their TV-based senior care platform and adapted it into a tablet app, making it accessible without the need for new hardware. This app uses existing tablets to create a care hub that not only combats social isolation but also enhances communication and health monitoring for seniors. Features include video calls with family, health reminders, and even games designed to keep the mind sharp. The genius here is in democratizing technology for caregiving. By using devices that might otherwise be collecting dust, Onscreen Joy makes advanced care accessible to a broader audience. It's like having a personal caregiver in your pocket, ensuring that seniors remain connected, entertained, and healthy. The Smart Mirror Revolution, health monitoring reimagined. Our third revelation comes in the form of smart mirrors, and the standout at CES was the FaceHeart CardioMirror. This isn't your grandma's mirror. It's a health monitoring device disguised as a daily use item. By analyzing your facial skin color and movements, this mirror can estimate vital signs like heart rate, blood pressure, and even assess risks for conditions like heart failure or atrial fibrillation. This technology could change how we approach health in our homes. Imagine waking up, glancing at your mirror, and getting an instant health check. It's not just about vanity anymore. It's about proactive health management. This could lead to early detection of health issues, potentially saving lives by encouraging a more preventative approach to medicine. Self-charging devices, the end of battery anxiety. Battery life has always been a significant concern for tech users, but CES 2025 might have solved this with self-charging devices. From smartphones to smartwatches, these gadgets harness energy from motion and ambient light, reducing or eliminating the need for traditional charging. This technology is not just convenient, it's revolutionary. It means less dependency on power outlets, more freedom in usage, and a significant step towards sustainable tech. Imagine a world where your device charges itself while you're on the move, using the energy from your daily activities. This could lead to a new era where our devices are more integrated into our lifestyles without the constant need to plug in. It's not just about convenience. It's about efficiency and sustainability in tech usage. Autonomous delivery bots, the future of logistics. Finally, let's talk about the future of delivery, autonomous bots. CES 2025 showcased bots that are smarter, faster, and more adept at navigating complex urban environments than ever before. These bots promise to make last-mile delivery more efficient, cutting down on time, cost, and environmental impact. These bots aren't just about getting your Amazon packages to your door. They're about redefining logistics, from grocery deliveries to medical supplies. With AI and improved sensors, these bots can operate in all weather conditions, ensuring timely and accurate deliveries. This technology could lead to a significant reduction in the carbon footprint of delivery services, potentially transforming cityscapes by reducing vehicle congestion and pollution. It's a step toward smarter cities, where technology manages the mundane, freeing us up for more creative and human-centric activities. There you have it, the top 5 tech secrets from CES 2025 that are set to change our world. From Nvidia's AI advancements to the smart mirrors checking your health, these innovations are not just about gadgets, they're about enhancing our lives in profound ways. Remember, technology isn't just about the new, it's about how it can improve, protect, and connect us. As we move forward, keep an eye on these developments because they're not just trends, they're the future knocking at our door. Thank you for joining us here at FactOrbit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exclusive tech insights. Until next time, keep innovating, keep exploring, and stay ahead of the curve.